Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit messages on Messenger. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have entered a chat with a test account that I have created, and I have this message which you can see already was edited, but I have sent a message which simply says test, and I will demonstrate how you can edit your messages from here. Now all you have to do to edit these messages is to actually tap on them and hold them until this menu pops up. You'll see all these reactions and you'll see these options which you have at the bottom. You want to click on more with the three dots, and from here you can see you have an edit option within this menu. All you have to do is tap on the edit option, and from here you can add or subtract anything you want from the message. You could possibly remove it fully. You could add whatever you want, some random letters. Let's just add that. And once you're done editing, what you need to do is click on the check mark right next to the message, and it'll be done as so. And as you can see, the message has been edited. It does say that it has been edited, but the contents are different and now it is displayed differently. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.